What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Finally, I wasn't able to put out a video last week, and Happy New Year, guys. It's 2025, and we're just going to get it as usual. Um, Long story short, I'm going to show you guys. I just took a trade. As I said, we'll continue as usual with the trading video. So, today is 7th of January. I've taken a trade on Euro JPY, so I'll show you guys on the charts. And it isn't actually my first trade for the year. This is actually my third trade for the year. I've taken two trades. I think one on Euro USD, one on Euro USD, one on USD CAD. So I'll also show you guys those trades uh, when we get to the PC. So I hope you guys had a nice holiday. Let me know the comments. And yeah, what are your plans for the year? For me, it's same as always, consistently following the plan and improving on the plan and chasing the goals. Not really chasing the goals, chasing the process, because then the process can lead to the goals. So without further ado, let's get to the charts and catch you guys soon. So guys, here we are on the charts, and the trade we took is on GBP/JPY. I'm going long from the weekly, seeing bullish price action so far. I didn't take any trades yesterday because I didn't really see anything I wanted to trade. So my draw on price is the high, the last week's high. We're respecting this fair value gap currently, and yesterday was bullish, so I expect today to continue the same. We are trading off of this 4-hour fair value gap, and price has respected that nicely with this week. So I just found some structure. What's happening here? Okay, I just found some structure on the 15-minute, and you can see how price is respecting so far. And yeah, I'm taking off that, so price should take this high, this context high out, and takes this one out. Hopefully reach up to my take profit, and we'll be winners for the day. So that's that on this trade. This is the active trade for today. So as I said, I took two trades, and you can see here January 2nd I took a trade on where is it EU Euro USD, and on the 3rd took a trade on Euro CAD. So today you guys are getting an insight on what my journal looks like. I use Notion to journal, by the way, and yeah, it was 1:2 as usual. And yeah, this is basically what it looks like, or what it looked like. For the Euro USD trade, we did see market come as far as here, but as usual, we trust the process and let the trade run. So I basically was out, and I came back and I saw that price had rolled over and had taken me out at TP. My stop loss was above here, and the same thing, I entered on the 15 minutes this time, coming from a 4-hour fair value gap. So that's that. This is on the 1-hour time frame, just a different perspective. This is the 4-hour fair value gap I traded from. So it was a good trade. And for Eurocard, same thing. Entered on the 15 minutes. So we're having lots of 15-minute trades these days from the 4 hours. So it was a tricky one because it just kept ranging. Actually, the reason why it ranged was because on the 4-hour, I already saw this. We have this bullish fair value gap. We also had a bearish fair value gap. So there was like a bit of 50-50 price action there. But I believed that the bulls will take over because I waited for this candle to close. But then, though, this is the candle that formed the bearish fair value gap. So I just took the risk, and it was coming off of okay, that's 4 hour. On daily, nothing on daily. On the weekly, we had this weekly fair value gap here, so it was a certain price to draw towards there, which it did. It didn't take out the high, but it did draw towards there. So that puts, okay, here before we go, these are the two trades. This is the one that is currently running. It's currently in profit, the GBP/JPY trade, and you can see 2nd of January, you see the Euro USD trade 2%, 2% whatsoever. Then the USD card trade, you can also see that the next day, 3rd of January, which leaves our account currently we're 3% in profit, 3.1 to be precise, 3.18. At the end of last year, we were minus 1% on this account. So 2 winning trades brought me up to 3%, and so far so good. We'll just keep our heads down and try and get this challenge phase over with and on to the next phase. You feel. So that's it for the trade today. Let's just see how this plays out, and I'll get back to you guys when this plays out. What's up, guys? It's Tuesday. No, it's not Tuesday. It's Wednesday. I mean, I've been time traveling without knowing, but yeah, today is Wednesday, and as for our trade, took a trade on GBP JPY, right? We got taken out as stop loss, so officially my first loss for the year. Doesn't matter. So I really thought it was going to expand, but so you can see on the daily, the candle, I thought this candle would be an expansion candle, and we would have a breakaway gap here, but obviously I had a premise that yesterday being the day before FOMC, which is one of the big 3 news events, the markets will try to consolidate, but I never really did experience these things for myself. So this experience is very important because going forward I have a memory to attach it to, the knowledge to. So not that it cannot expand on some days before FOMC, but more often than not, basically. So we'll rather look at it in probabilities. Then is the reason I chose to trade a JPY pair rather than a USD pair. So this did consolidate, and yeah, that's why price failed to move, because I usually after this candle here, this 4-hour candle, what on earth? After this particular 4-hour candle, my cursor is below. I expected the next candle to expand, but that did not happen. So that was already a sign of price coming lower rather than going higher. But it just decided to range and form 3rd candle for the fair value gap, which is actually pretty nice. But today is FOMC, so it's not really a good idea in terms of probabilities to get involved before the news release. So I will just be setting alerts, and I'll be waiting to see if we get anything interesting. If we don't, so be it. We'll just chill, and the next time there should be. But we have to. This is an NFP week, by the way. I forgot to mention. So we have NFP on Friday. So Thursday might not also be good for USD pairs. But let's see. If there's anything interesting, I'll get right back to you guys. Catch you later. Welcome everyone to another beautiful day. Today is Thursday, and we are in a trade on CAD JPY today, going long from I'm following this price delivery from the weekly. We're having bullish price action to the daily, and I got in on the 1 hour of this fair value gap, so I'm expecting higher prices. It's kind of in a struggle right now, but I expect higher prices to take this high and hopefully hit my TP. So yesterday we didn't take any trades. I didn't see anything interesting on the charts, and hence why I didn't share anything yesterday. But that's all right. So today is Thursday, and we hope this goes well. However it goes, it's fine. It's fine regardless. So let's see how this goes. I'll get back to you guys later. What's up, guys? So today is Saturday, basically. We're at the end of the first week, second week actually, second trading week in January. So, man, January is long. It's still 11th. Like, how many years? January has like 70 days, as we all know. So, if you were out there flexing in December, I hope you are ready for the winter. So, basically, guys, we took two trades this week. One on Monday, and yeah, one on Monday, one on Tuesday. Rather, one on Tuesday, one on Wednesday. Yeah. No, hold up. Getting my dates wrong. One on Tuesday, one on Thursday. Yeah, and both of them were losses. So I didn't see anything else interesting, so I didn't bother. I just let the rest of the week go by. Next week should definitely be interesting. I have a good feeling. Next week we'll have more volatility. So um, yeah, that's it for the trades for the week, bringing us back to 1% in profit. We lost two trades, so minus 2% since we were 3% up. And yeah, I decided to take it slow because it wasn't a week to really push. There were indicators that price wouldn't really move as you would expect, plus the news events that were lined up. So, and price action in general wasn't just lined up perfectly. So I didn't bother. The losses I took were beyond my control. Maybe I could have avoided it on a weekly basis, like maybe avoiding the whole week. But my setups came up and I took them, and that's what happened. So we hope for a better week next week. So that's that for the week. I don't know how your trading week is going. I know we mean the best for our trading year, so we just have to keep going, don't relent, keep reflecting, journaling, and improving on our crafts. And yeah, this is as real as it gets. This is as real as it gets. To be honest, it's not everybody wants to win, but nobody is ready to really talk about the losses. So yeah, the first two trades were wins, and the next two trades were losses. So I spotted that and decided to slow down. I didn't bother looking at the charts yesterday. There was nothing interesting to look at. I didn't miss out on anything. So it's good to keep your mind in check and don't have that feeling that, oh, when you're not on the charts, you're missing out on something. There were some corrections, some things I did this year. One, I deleted the TradingView app from my phone. Maybe I will talk about some things like this in a newer video. I deleted the TradingView app from my phone because I noticed that made me take a lot of funny trades. I might be on the road doing something, or I might be doing my business doing something else, and I just pop up the app and I deceive and tell myself I'm just trying to check, I'm not going to trade. And eventually, guess who takes the trade? Me. Because the more I'm looking at the charts, the more I'll convince myself that there's a trade. But when I have to get to my workstation, get to my laptop to set up a trade, it's a lot easier because um, when I'm not there, I'm not there. I can't see a trade, I can't take a trade. When I take my trades on my laptop, I just put the laptop away and I manage the trade on MT5. And that's all I need to do. So that's just one last tip. If you stay to the end of the video, you're a real one. Remember to leave a like, remember to subscribe, and yeah, it's been a while since I dropped a video, so we'll keep the train running from now on. Peace, guys. Have a nice weekend.